In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, welcome back our new video. I hope you are well. If you want to add English vocabulary word in your life, then you must subscribe to this channel. So I am excited to talk about the topic English vocabulary word with English meaning. So number 1, abstruse. Abstruse means nagwar, difficult to understand. Enthusiast. Enthusiast means purjosh, a person with intense interest. Fastidious, praise-gar, meticulous and demanding. Number 4, inscrutable. Inscrutable means नाकाबिले तस्कीर, interpret or difficult to understand. Invective. Invective means मुतासिर कुन, abusive or insulting language. Lassitude. Lassitude means sasti, feeling of tiredness. Nostalgia, पुरानी यादों, sentimental longing for the past. Perfidious. Perfidious means ईमानदार, disloyal or treacherous. Reclusive, अलग अलग, reclusive, अलग अलग, preferring to be alone. Sagacious. Sagacious, समझदार, wise and discerning. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए आए तो इस चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। बहुत शुक्रिया।